All right, we're doing a little dirt patch tour. I have no idea what to call this. We are starting at Barca de Oro, where we have started and ended our other tours of the loop here in Las Peñitas. We're gonna head across the street from them and down the little side street and show what I keep referring to as the open dirt area, because I have no idea how else to describe it. This is all there is. And there's no road that goes from here, or no connector really, that goes up to the upper loop road. You have to go past Barca de Oro. There's a little side road up here. I guess it kind of connects, but not very much. Sometimes the buses come in here and turn around. Sometimes it's used as like a soccer field. Some people say that they play baseball here. You never really see anything happening. If there's any rain at all, this turns to mud. It is really messy. When everything's dry, it's not too bad. I'm gonna spin around to the right. This is the connector up to the upper loop road. That's all there is. And then there's some houses that line the far side here. And if we look forward, you can see the yellow and white of the houses down on the beach road that we walked past on our other tour. It's a boat being worked on. We're gonna walk diagonally right across when we get to the other side. We're going to be at the little intersection where the dirt patch touches the middle road and then connects primarily to the beach road. Alright, here we are. This is the corner of the middle road coming through. You can kind of see one direction. We're going to head down this way. And in a very short few steps here, we're going to pop out at Nika Burger and the Pulperia. The black box in front of us is Nika Burger, and Carla's Pulperia is the building on the left. And just beachfront houses in front of us. We are back on the beach road.